Good morning. Today we're going to be playing a classic video game. Well, that's just kind of what I do. From 1982. This is one I enjoyed at Chuck E. Cheese here in Salem when I was a little kid. In fact, I remember it very fondly somehow from my 8th birthday. One of the few things I remember that's more than 3 years old. This is Bagman. It seems to be a pretty simple little maze chase game, but as you can tell, there's some really interesting complexities already going on here in this demo screen. There's multiple screens, there's many ways to move. Yes, there are chase enemies and other things, but there you go. This game was released, and I have Wikipedia up right now, in 1982 from, let's see if I get this right, Valadon Automation, a French maker of automated systems that actually released, I believe, 3 or 4 arcade cabinets about this time. This was licensed by Stern, who was a video game publisher of sorts back then. Today, I will be attempting to play, this time with my 8-bit DOE, or DO. Which one is this one? The N30 Pro controller. Has all the controls you can need to control modern and classic games. Classic NES 2 style dog bone styling. The only complaint I have really about this controller is the shoulder buttons you see here. You can see them right there. L2, R2, the left and right buttons, the shoulders, they're kind of in this kind of over the shoulder configuration, which makes them somewhat difficult to use, especially when you're playing modern games. Of course, I'm not going to be doing that today. Right now, my MAME emulator on my PC is set up to utilize my analog sticks, which actually work fairly well, and perhaps a little bit better even than my Xbox Elite 2 Pro controller. 8-bit DOE is a maker of very, very, very good Bluetooth game controllers. They've got controllers for almost every configuration, including Sega Genesis and Mega Drive, 3-button, 6-button styles, I believe. But this is my go-to backup classic game controller. I have it paired with my Raspberry Pi setups, as well as my PC. So, let's see what we can do about this game. And as I'll say in the description, let's take the money and run and play a little Bagman. And try not to suck. This time. And off we go. So there's a button mechanic here in which you can pick up and interact with objects, including, money bags and whatnot. Uh-oh. It's already looking bad. Voice samples too, after a fashion. And you can definitely tell it was French. Very spastic. Come on. AI, hello. AI, which way are you going to go? Oh. God damn, you're like a cat. In or out, buddy? So you press the action button to pick up money bags, and your goal is to get them up to that wheelbarrow at the top. Now, with 3 screens worth of this, every level has got a lot of value to it. I might actually have to play 2 coins worth of this one to actually get somewhere. It's got a jaunty little soundtrack. So I'll grab another one over here. Let's go ahead and show you the second screen now. And you can see there's a very short distance between where that minecart comes in, so you got to watch out. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. Hi. No. Witness. Okay. French game. Let's try that again. I did so much better in practice. Hopefully I'll be able to show you some mechanics like actually dropping money bags on top of these buggers. What are you doing? Come on. No, I don't want to have to pick it up at the bottom of the mine shaft. Kind of gives me, with the desert mine type setting, gives me a French Algeria. Oh! Opa! Here we go. Please don't be up there. Ha 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 ha. Somehow, when I was 8 years old, I was an absolute terror with this game. Funny how age changes you a little bit. Hell, you should see my eyebrows. Willy-nilly does not even begin to describe it these days. Oh, here we go. Can I get 2 of them? Okay, we're going to leave that down there for now. Now, let's see if I can actually show you the third screen. Elevator. Yeah, there is no jump button. You're limited to the terrain that you've got in front of you. But you can see the actual length of every single level. Kind of a very American workhorse type soundtrack to it. Idiots. Yeah, this little money back I remember not liking too well because stuff like that. Oh, one more. Now, these pickaxes. Digitized sound effect, after a fashion. Come here. Oh, crap. Oh, he's going to be coming. Okay. Let's see if I can at least get this one. Seems that my speed is actually pretty decent on ladders, even if I'm carrying. Okay. Ooh-wee. Nope. No, that was among a series of poor decisions. Merci François Gasnet. No high score for me today. So there is a little taste of another classic, little-known arcade game called Bagman. It's actually more fun and more complex than a lot of arcade games from, again, 1982. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry. What's wrong with you? I hope you have a wonderful day. My name is Brent Diskin, and good day. Okay. See if I can... Excuse me.